Good morning everyone. The market is moving fast and staying informed can feel like a daily battle. But fear not, Markets Daily by Bajaj Broking is here to equip you with the latest news across equities, commodities and the global landscape. Buckle up because we are diving in. Let's break down the latest news. Firstly, the Indian government has raised the windfall tax on crude oil to 7,000 rupees per tonne from 6,000 rupees per tonne, effective from July 16, 2024. The windfall tax on the export of diesel, petrol and ATF remains nil. Secondly, Vedanta has launched a qualified institutional placement QIP to raise up to 6,688 crore rupees. The indicative price is likely set at 440 rupees per share, which is a 4.2% discount to the closing price on Monday, July 15th. Thirdly, Hindustan Unilever Limited HUL has announced that its board has approved the sale and disinvestment of the company's water purification business to A.O. Smith for 601 crore rupees. This business generated a turnover of 293 crore rupees in FY 23-24, accounting for less than 1% of HUL's total turnover. Lastly, FIIs were net buyers in the equities market with purchases amounting to 2,684.78 crore rupees, while DIIs were net sellers with sales of 331 crore rupees. Now turning our focus to the Indian markets, GIFT Nifty suggests a flat opening for the Indian market amid mixed Asian cues. We expect the Nifty spot to consolidate in the range of 24,500 to 24,680 amid stock-specific action. Let's look at the market in the previous session. Benchmark indices continued their upward journey and rallied to a fresh all-time high. Nifty started the session on a positive note, thereafter consolidated in the range and closed the session at 24,586 levels, up by 0.35%. Bank Nifty also consolidated with positive bias and closed the session at 52,455 levels, up by 0.34%. Broader market outperformed with Nifty mid-cap and small-cap closed higher by 0.9% and 0.6% respectively. PSU Bank, Pharma, Oil and Gas and Realty sectors outperformed. Nifty outlook for short term. Going ahead, stock-specific action will continue to remain in focus as we enter the Q1 FY25 earnings season and ahead of the Union Budget 2024. Nifty bias remains positive, sustaining above immediate hurdle area of 24,600 to 24,700 will open upside towards 25,000 levels in the coming week. Failure to do so can lead to consolidation in the broad range of 24,700 to 24,140. Talking about intraday levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, Nifty's intraday resistance is situated at 24,640 followed by 24,700 levels. Conversely, downside support is located at 24,520 followed by 24,450. Bank Nifty's intraday resistance is positioned at 52,690 followed by 52,900, while downside support is found at 52,150 followed by 51,900. Fin Nifty's intraday resistance is positioned at 23,780 followed by 23,890, while downside support is found at 23,590 followed by 23,500. Shifting our focus to the global market landscape, let's explore recent events influencing market dynamics. US equities closed higher on Monday, driven by gains in the oil and gas, financials and industrial sectors. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 210 points, which is 0.5%, to a record high of 40,211.72, while the S&P 500 gained 0.3% and the Nasdaq Composite increased by 0.4%. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell indicated that recent inflation data has boosted the Fed's confidence in bringing down inflation, suggesting rate cuts could happen soon. Goldman Sachs climbed over 2% after reporting a strong profit increase in the second quarter. Let's delve into the developments in the Asian markets. Asia Pacific markets opened mixed on Tuesday as traders in Asia react to Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's comments that the central bank will not wait until inflation hits 2% to cut interest rates. The Nikkei 225 gained 0.75% and the Topix rose 0.88%. South Korea's Kospi climbed marginally while the Kosdaq swung the opposite direction and fell 1.4%. Investors continue to look for developments from China's third plenum, where high local government debt levels and a push for advanced manufacturing will be on the agenda. Taking a closer look at the derivative data, let's analyze the insights into Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty options for today's trading session. For Nifty, highest put OI is positioned at the 24,500 level, whereas the highest call OI is positioned at the 25,000 level. 24,500 and 25,000 will remain the broader range for the index. We saw huge put OI addition at 24,500 and 24,600, while huge call OI addition was seen at 25,000 level. Huge put OI addition at the 24,500 and 24,600 indicate a strong base formation on the lower end. If index breaches these levels, then we might see a corrective action till 24,300 and 24,400 levels as well. According to option chain analysis, put writers are active below 24,500 and the call writers are active about 24,600 level. Breach on any of these levels might cause a strong rally in the index. Nifty put-call ratio increased by 0.05 and is now positioned at 1.33. For Bank Nifty, highest call OI is concentrated at the 54,000 level, whereas the highest put OI is positioned at the 52,000 level, which will remain a broader range for the Bank Nifty. We saw huge put OI addition at multiple strikes below 52,500 level, while call OI addition was seen at 53,500 level. Put writers are quite active below 52,500 level and call unwinding is also observed at these strikes, which is a positive data point for the index. According to option chain analysis, immediate support is at 52,500 and important resistance is at 53,000. The Bank Nifty put-call ratio decreased by 0.27 and is now positioned at 1.13. Let's look at other asset classes. US Treasury yields fluctuated on Monday as investors weighed the impact of the assassination attempt on former President Donald Trump and comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell. The 10-year Treasury yield rose 4 basis points to 4.23%, while the 2-year yield slipped by 1 basis points to 4.45%. Oil prices declined for a second day due to a stronger dollar, with Brent crude falling to $84.70 per barrel and WTI crude to $81.96 per barrel. Gold prices rose nearly 0.5% to $2,422.79 per ounce amid hopes for Fed interest rate cuts. That's all for today. To delve deeper into today's market insights and analysis, check out the caption below. See you tomorrow for more updates. Investments in the security markets are subject to market risk. Read all related documents before investing.